This is a review for the 96-piece sewing thread set by LIUHG. The brand did send this to me so that I can make a review video for you guys. So let's open it up and take a look. Now it is a 96-piece set, but there are 48 colors. And the reason that is because they give you a matching pre-wound bobbin to go with each color of thread that they come with. Now this thread is going to be great for sewing and quilting, so it's nice to have the pre-wound bobbin already assembled, because who has time to wind bobbins, right? So as you can see, these colors are very bright. They're very bright, very vibrant, and it's a nice range. I mean, this really honestly is a complete set of colors for any project that you can think of starting out with. You have a nice range of colors to complete your project. This one is even feels like neon to me. I think they have like two neons. So this one looks like neon and this one looks like neon. So it's nice that they gave you that great range of colors. And it's for sewing and quilting. So it's a nice, durable, kind of silky smooth thread. And I think it's 400 yards that they give you on each of these spools, so it's a generous amount. And they also say that it's water resistant too and very durable. So I would feel really comfortable using these in my sewing projects. And to me, it's a nice complete set, so that as I'm starting out, I don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of individual colors. I have a really great variety here to get started with, and don't have to think about like running out of anything or starting a project and not having the right color ready to go. So I hope this has been helpful, and yeah, go ahead and give it a try. The bobbins come in this nice carrying case, which are kind of custom fit to the bobbin, so they're not sliding around and moving all about and everything, so that you can keep track of them easily. Normal size bobbins, so they would fit in any regular sewing machine, and you can get started quickly. Just pop it in and use it.